Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Here on Pool Talk with Trish, we talk all about pools, and we focus specifically on fiberglass pools. Now, a couple of the benefits we've discussed about fiberglass pools are how low maintenance they are and how much less chemicals you use in a fiberglass pool. Today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to answer a commonly asked question that comes up when discussing the maintenance of a fiberglass pool. Do you need to shock a fiberglass pool? So let's dive in. Okay, so what does it mean to shock your pool? What is shock? Pool shock is either non-chlorine or chlorine chemicals that are added to your pool to destroy any contaminants in the water. And the overall goal of shocking your pool is to raise the free chlorine levels so that it destroys any algae or bacteria that may be growing in the pool water. Shocking your pool water is one of the most important maintenance steps when it comes to ensuring the health of your pool and the safety of your family. Shocking your pool not only kills contaminants that can lead to an unsafe pool environment, but also contaminants that can cause damage to the pool itself. And really, when it comes down to it, regardless of whether you have a concrete gunite pool or a fiberglass pool, shocking your pool definitely needs to be part of your maintenance routine. And shock is different than just the regular chlorine that you're using to maintain your pool water. Sometimes organic pollutants and other bacteria can actually resist normal chlorination. So sometimes it can be important to raise the chlorine level of your pool very quickly, and this is what shock does. Now, pool water composition, it always contains some undesirable elements that can contaminate your water and can reduce the efficiency of whatever it is you are using to disinfect and sanitize. Things like hairspray and cosmetics and suntan oil, even your own perspiration and other organic materials can combine with the chlorine in the water to form combined chlorine. Once combined chlorine forms, it acts as a pretty poor disinfectant. It can also contribute to eye and skin irritations, and it can lead to that unpleasant chlorine odor. Pools with this problem are often inaccurately accused of having too much chlorine. So routine shock treatment is necessary to destroy the combined chlorine compounds and restore the chlorine sanitizer to free chlorine efficiency. So the pool can be shock treated by adding large doses of chlorine, often referred to as superchlorination, or by adding a non-chlorine shock. And like I mentioned, there is a difference between your regular maintenance chlorine and the superchlorination of shocking, and you do need to do both. So your chlorine tablets are used to regularly maintain the level of chlorine in your pool, while your shock is a high dose of chlorine meant to raise the chlorine level very quickly. So how often should you be shocking your fiberglass pool? Well, it does depend on several different things. During peak swimming season, most people will shock their pool every 1 to 2 weeks. How often you need to in your pool will depend on how much your pool is getting used, how many people are in and out of the pool, if they're wearing a lot of suntan lotions and oils, or whether or not those people have showered before they get in the pool. Are they covered in dirt or perspiration? And weather will affect it as well, as rain can dilute the pool water and make shocking necessary. And if you're wondering how long you should wait before you get back in the pool once you've shocked it, it really depends on what type of shock you're using in the pool. A good rule of thumb is to do it in the evening after all of the day's swimming is done, and that way by the next morning the water is ready to go. Now, if you want to know how to shock your pool, check down in the description. I've put a step-by-step process that you can follow. I hope you found this information valuable. As always, if you have any questions at all, you can always reach out, 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. And if you found this information valuable, make sure you like it, share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it as well. And of course, I'd love to see your comments, so drop them below. And if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell icon so that you get notified of any new future content. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I can't wait to help you get swimming. Oh, and while you're checking out that step-by-step process down in the description, don't forget, check out the links. I've included a few for some of my favorite shocks on the market. I'll see you guys soon.